Welcome back to another show and tell and actually unboxing video. Today we're taking a look at the beam rifle from Bandai. And this has been a classified item for many years. But now I can actually unbox it. So this has actually been in storage for literally 20 years. And this is 20 years of dust from being on the shelf. And I'm finally going through the collection and we're going to take a look at this thing. So I'm going to very carefully take the item out and I'm actually going to show you the other side of the box really quickly that has not been covered in 20 years of dust. So here you can see here the various markings for the beam rifle. And if we carefully look at the other side, I'm trying not to stir up too much dust. I'm actually going to clean this up. But I thought it was pretty funny that I actually had 20 years of dust still on this box. So I'll give you an idea of what the other sides look like. And I may actually do a cleanup video just to show you what that side looks like eventually, because this actually is different than the other side. So here's the edge flaps, just for your reference, in case you actually want to try to find one of these. And you can see the dust falling off onto my table here. And that's going to have to be cleaned up later. So here's the item. This is the beam rifle. This is technology from many years ago. And a look at the future. What they thought a beam rifle might possibly look like, and the ergonomics of it are actually actually pretty cool, because once the batteries are loaded in the compartment here, it has pretty good balance. So it kind of has that bullpup design, similar to modern late 20th century, early 21st century design that might carry into the future. You got this kind of trigger guard grip here. Who knows what the function of this blocking here is? Whether it's really a protection thing or if there really is some sort of internal function design there. What all this sort of gizmo stuff here is for this possible optical arrangement that doesn't really show you anything here, as well as this fixed stock assembly here with no possible adjustment. So possibly, based on the box art, this was actually designed for use by a mech equipped soldier. And this is, of course, going to be like utilized with some sort of power assist. So this will always be in a perfect position for use every time, when deployed. You can see here various molded on surfaces, and the only thing that actually moves is here, the battery compartment. I did take the liberty of loading 3 AA batteries that this requires, and let's see if this actually works. I think it works. So, taking a quick look at the beam rifle from Bandai. Unfortunately, the box is covered in 20 years of dust. There is a gold logo right under there. So at some point I will follow up with a cleanup portion, but just want to get this out of the way and show you now unclassified technology from the past. The Bandai beam rifle. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos, as well as unboxing videos, and as well as other media related videos. Feel free to subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.